Video on carpet cleaning for the Buffalo, New York metro market, including all of Erie County. And one question that comes up quite often about carpet cleaning is, how does commercial carpeting differ from residential? What's the difference? Aren't they all the same? Isn't carpeting? And we're going to use nylon as an example for today's quick tip. And commercial nylon carpeting is usually pre-dyed, in contrast to residential that is post-dyed. Now that's a bunch of technical mumbo jumbo, but what this means is it makes it more resistant to staining, permanent staining. Commercial carpeting will still have spills and have temporary stains, but this pre-dye, what this does is it prevents the permanent staining. So what does this mean for a commercial carpet cleaner is a wider variety of cleaning and deodorizing solutions can be used on commercial nylon carpet. Now, most manufacturers cut us off, and how they do that is by pH level on the cleaning solutions you use. And they generally say around a pH of 10 that you don't want to go over. Now, there's different anomalies with that question, but that's a general overview of the difference between commercial carpeting and residential. My name is Shane Dubell, and our company is Method Clean Solutions. We are a commercial carpet, tile, and VCT floor cleaning business in the Buffalo, New York market. And you can visit our website at methodclean.com if you have any more questions.